What's the meaning of availability? Availability. Availability.
Availability. Availability. Availability is a measure of the amount of time that a system or service is operational and accessible to users. It describes the percentage of time that a system or service is available for use within a given period, typically measured in hours or days. The higher the availability of a system or service, the less downtime it experiences, which can result in increased productivity and user satisfaction. Achieving high availability often requires redundancy, fault tolerance, and other measures to ensure that the system or service remains operational even in the event of failures or outages.